Andy's frozen custard and homemade brownie covered with hot fudge, roasted pecans, and topped with a
cherry.
Hey, what up, you guys? Sometime Kev's here. It is time to try something new. Alright, so I'm normally not a sweet guy, but I mean, sweet I am, but not a sweet eater. And so I finally went to Andy's Custards. It's right by my house, and I've been avoiding it and avoiding it. And there's probably a good reason. Because those desserts are addictive. So right now I've got the Stolen Brownie Sundae. And this is what you get on a Stolen Brownie Sundae. This looks like a pretty nice little ordinary sundae. And you can get it with or without pecans. So of course I chose with. So it's got the vanilla, ice cream, pecans, cherries, hot fudge, and caramel in there. So we're just gonna go get a little bite and see what it tastes like. So you want to get all that in there. You want to get custard, pecans, hot fudge sundae, caramel. Oh my gosh. Those pecans are fresh. They're not chewy or stale. They're delicious. I see another spoon coming in here. It's not my spoon. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's a dark fudge brownie. Stolen Brownie Sundae. Andy's frozen custard and homemade brownie covered with hot fudge, roasted pecans, and topped with a cherry.
That is good.
Oh wow. And the brownie's warm. That's a good brownie. We're going to give this a thumbs up, and we'll go again. Check you guys later. This review done on November 16th, 2023 on Highway 96 Franklin Road. This is Sometime Kev. Check it out.